Barker here with Live Oak Home and Commercial. Today we are going to do some window cleaning, and this is our technique. We took the screens off and we're going to brush the windows down with this horsehair bench brush is what it's called. So we get the first layers of dirt off. We also have a smaller smaller brush to get it out, all this dirt. So we put some soapy water on there, brush it down, and then we have quadruple zero still wool. Might add a little bit more soapy water, one more brush. Brush a little squeegee. This is such a small project. If you're going to do it by hand today, we'll come back around. Detail. Spray some water down there. We'll get a dirty towel to clean all of that up too.